beam out there and stick it out and near it. Piss them off.
Definitely would.
On the nut. And they both look like they're similar distance. One is different. A lot of dirt in that foot. They're different.
They are.
See, if I screw up, there's another one.
That's
shorter.
good.
But if it's too far apart, too bad. I'm thinking 20 inches is the one to go for. So there's the post to go in the ground. Problem is they're not 3 feet extra. They hold us. It's heavy. Okay. Tape. $31. So that's one bag of concrete. Bottom hole, and that's what's on top of it. And then we might have to put a couple inches of dirt in there because it's probably a dig in the concrete bag a little bit.
Okay.
Depends how hard the concrete bag is. Some is hard, some not real hard.
Is it going to be a swing open gate, or are you going to use those wheels?
Electric.
Ooh,
Swing open.
fancy.
Yeah, we're not using those wheels.
So it'll be a couple inches off the ground too.
We'll have to probably reinforce it because it's going to taco over on you. It's kind of flexible.
Yeah.
If you put cables on there, it'll still twist on you.
Right.
It might not work too good. We'll see. I got some real heavy duty hinges for it to hang off of it, but that tubing's not heavy enough to do it. You're going to have to put a upright on it. He says it's going to work. I think it's going to be way too flimsy. I think we need that much above the ground to put a wire across over there and catch that end, which means those need to be a lot taller.
Right.
But, he thinks it's going to work that way, but we'll see. He's the expert. So it's a matter of how we're going to do the other side. I don't need two 20-foot gates over there, so that has to close up against something that's secure, but it doesn't have to be a 6-inch piece. It could be something smaller than a 4-inch post. That's all it needs to be. It's just a stop rail to hold it. You don't need to have one of those in the ground. And I think we dig the hole the same day we're going to pour the concrete, so. It wasn't that hard to dig the hole. So what do we got in long pipe? Anything floating around?
I do not. I don't see any.
That's good it's not here.
Well, there you go. Now I know.
Fence post. Good to help. Your truck?
Yeah.
Guess where these are at?
Tell me.
In the truck.
All right. You gonna go say hi?
See all those fence posts? No.
Oh shit.
I think the road is a shortcut.
Yeah, let's go with the shortcut.
Go to the gate. Here, run that down there for me. 18. That would leave us 10 foot short from the fence. It was like 26, wasn't it?
Yeah. So you need 2 of these.
Yeah, you got a lot of junk around here, though. That's the cable, though. Tied together with it. Chicken wire. Got a pellet beam in the side of it. I got a bunch of those. Stuff on those on the ground.
Yeah.
Got the telephone pole. Be a little heavy though. There used to be some posts hanging around here somewhere. It gets overdried. There you go, dry beam. That'd work.
Yeah, perfect.
Bury that in the hole. I'm pretty sure that's not going to disappear. Be strong enough.
And that'll be for the stop.
Yeah, it's way more stop you need. I forget what this is for. Make a good hoist though.
Yeah.
Pile rock's not very thin, so it'll rot out in a short time. Of course, we're already testing out that theory right now, but
Yeah.
it's laying out here. Should be able to put in a container with all the other stuff. Yeah, I'd have to move it. Let's have it wood. See my telephone pole. I put a steel one into fire.
Oh, there's some fence posts.
Yeah, but it's not very thick. We have a lot of fencing
Yeah.
collection.
You never know.
And a solvent tank.
Perfect.
After that, here's my jet bike.
Look at that.
Take good care of it.
Looks like it's ready to race.
It hasn't moved since the late 90s.
Late 90s.
It ran. Guy gave it to me to make a race bike out of it, so I did, see.
Hardtailed it.
Never used it. It started up, it blew out so much rust out of the exhaust pipe when it ran. But it ran. Then I parked it.
Project for another day.
Someone else runs that class. My friend runs that class. I got it for excuse. They said my single was not very fast. Anybody can go as fast as I did, so I was going to bring him a jet bike out. Here, you go ride a piece of crap, see how fast it goes. That's a 4-valve, 2-cylinder. I got 1 valve. I got 2-valve, 1-cylinder. Yeah, I'm going fast. They think it's slow. Go faster. A pipe over here, just a bunch of pallet racking. There's no solvent tank.
Oh, good.
I remember having that one. They're all over the place.
Yeah. In case you ever need another one.
Yeah, it's like a good farm. There's little shit like everywhere. Whenever you need it, sure. On that crisser. Got a big tank. The tank's always supposed to be half the size of the cylinder bore, right? It fills up quicker that way.
It's funny.
She's still running. I like this one. Look at this one.
That's the
How'd
pipe.
we miss that? Here. How'd we miss this?
It's already got concrete on it.
Okay, is this cat's claw? What is this shit here?
It appears to be cat's claw.
I don't see a lot of clawing on it though.
Yeah, you know what? You test that out.
I am gonna say I gotta crawl under here.
I'm gonna stand back here.
What do you think beside that too?
Probably a
Oh,
snake.
it's perfect. Solid. There you go.
Is it? Solid?
The concrete out.
Oh. Oh, look at that.
Perfect. It's already made. I think that'll work just fine.
Yeah. Is it gonna be tall enough?
It doesn't have to, it's just a stop. You just have to walk into it. Perfect. Made for it. You know, we even had that. Good, the way Harley, if you put that in your back, I can carry you down there for me.
Yeah.
It goes all the way through.
Perfect.
I could throw it in a hole right now, that'd piss him off. Put that right on the ground. You think you get the idea I'm doing something?
Probably.
I'm running out of sunlight quick. In the cool and get cooler. Looks like they got some stuff digging around here. Alright, we've got to move this down to the thing. Don't drop this in a hole, I won't be able to get it out of the hole.
Right.
Yeah, it'd be hard.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get a dolly.
Okay.